Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia C21 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to add internet speed indicator to status bar. In the beginning, let's enter Play Store and search for Internet Speed Meter app. Download it. Now open it. And if the internet speed indicator wasn't added, right now it is, but if it wasn't added, you can go to Menu, Preferences, Advanced Settings, and then you have to add to whitelist. Now search for Internet Speed Indicator app. Select it and select Don't Optimize. Tap Done and it's set. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.